I'm here at JAX London with Arun Gupta of Oracle. Thanks for joining us. And you've just done a talk on WebSockets. Can you tell us what can be done with WebSockets?
Yeah, WebSocket is a new protocol by IETF. It's RFC 6455. It defines a two-way communication protocol which is full duplex. That means the client and server are talking to each other without waiting for each other, and it's done over a single TCP connection, which is sort of the killing point about it. Unlike HTTP, where you require to establish a new TCP connection and a sort of chock full of headers every time you want to do a communication, you just do minimal framing that is required by WebSocket, and you can do some real-time communication using WebSockets over a single TCP connection.
And how are they being supported in Java?
Right, so that's sort of my talk is going to be about. So there are several WebSocket implementations that are already available, but those are all like, one-off implementations. But JSR 356, which is Java API for WebSocket, is going to define a standard way on how you can build WebSocket applications in the Java programming language. And I'll talk about that in my presentation.
So your other talk is on JAX-RS 2.0. What new features will that bring?
Right. JAX-RS 2.0 is yet another JSR as part of Java E7 platform. Several new features coming over there. It defines a brand new client API. So JAX-RS 1.1 was effectively all about server side. So we're adding client-side API now so that you can invoke a REST endpoint. We're adding client-side and server-side asynchrony, which allows your applications to scale much better. We're also adding support for filters and interceptors that are, extension points on the server and client side, and how you can extend the entire life cycle or entire processing cycle of JAX-RS request and response messages. We are also adding support for server-side content negotiation. Yeah, most of it.
Great. And you're also a key member of the GlassFish community. What can we expect from GlassFish in the future?
Absolutely. So GlassFish is the reference implementation of Java E7. Java E7 is slated for release in Q2 2013, and GlassFish being the reference implementation will have, there are already early builds available for GlassFish 4, which is the reference implementation for Java E7. So things like JAX-RS, WebSocket, and other JSRs like JSON processing and JMS2 and all of those are already integrated in GlassFish 4. So you can download the promoted builds today and play around with it and try out those features. So when Java E7 goes final, you will of course have GlassFish 4 build to go with it.
Arun Gupta, thank you.